Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know how you can check the app status of your Citibank credit card application. So to check the status of your credit card or Citibank credit card application, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up your application and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page, and from the home page you can see credit card right on top. When you press the credit card button, then next thing what you have to do is you just need to scroll down a bit and then go to track application status. As you click on it, moving on to the next step, you'll be able to see a field where you need to go ahead and enter in the number that is associated with the tracking application or the status. Just enter in that and click the submit button, and lastly you'll be notified that, or you'll be able to see your status of your credit card. So that is how you can track or check the status of your Citibank credit card application. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.